Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to post on TikTok for everyone to see. Okay, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can tap on this plus button. Let's just create a post on TikTok first. Tap on this plus button, and for example, I'm going to upload a photo from my device as my TikTok post. I'm going to upload this photo. And then if you want to make your post for everyone to see, you can go to the TikTok privacy setting, tap on the settings option, and make sure that you select everyone on who can view this post. Make sure that you select everyone so everyone can see your post. Okay, and after that we can go back. Then you can click on next, and you can write a caption for your TikTok post right here. You can also add hashtag, mention, and you can also add location. And after that, you just need to click on post. Okay, and everyone will see your post. Alright guys, and that's how we can post on TikTok for everyone to see. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.